Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.
Alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will learn lesson 6. Lesson 6. Durusul Sadis. Sixth lesson. Sixth lesson. Okay, in this lesson, right, what we are going to learn is one is feminine for this. Secondly, feminine adjectives and nouns. Third, one more harmful jar. Okay, these three we will learn in this lesson. Okay, first, this is a boy. If we want to point to girl in English, we will say same. This is a girl, right? But in Arabic, it will change. Like in Tamil, right? This is a boy. If you translate, even oru payyan, even, okay. This is a girl means evil. So for boy, even. For girl, evil. Okay. Similarly, in Arabic also, there is a slight changes. Okay. For this is a boy, we will say hada. Correct? Hada waladun. Waladun. Correct? Hada waladun. For girl, we will use hadihi. 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 This is what we are going to learn as a one of Arabic grammar. We will write as a hadihi, but we will pronounce with hadihi. You see here? Hadihi. Hadihi. Okay? Hadihi. For boy, masculine, we will use hada. If you want to point something which is masculine, then we use hada. If we want to point something which is feminine, we use hadihi. Okay? We will write as a hadihi, but we put a hamza, alif fatha here. Okay? So similarly in hada also we will write hada, but we will read as a hada, right? Same here. Hada ibnu hamidin. You see here, ibnu is hamzatul wasl. So we should not read as hada ibnu hamidin. How do we read? Hada ibnu hamidin. This is Hamid's son. This is Hamid's son. And what? Hadihi bintu Yasirin. Bintu means we can use it girl or daughter. But here is a daughter, okay? Hadihi bintu Yasirin. This is Yasir's daughter. So, hada, hadihi. The meaning is same, this, okay? But in Arabic, we will differentiate. If it is masculine, if we are pointing to masculine noun, then we use hada. If we are pointing to feminine noun, we use hadihi, okay? So, first one, We have learned. Done. Secondly, feminine adjectives and nouns. What is that? Okay. For example, this is a new student. How do we write? How do we write in Arabic? Student. Okay. How do we write this? هذا طالب جديد. جديد means new, correct? هذا طالب جديد. Let's say if you want to point, this is a new, okay, new students mean by default is a boy. Okay, boy students. By default is a boy student. Boy student. Okay. If you want to point to girl student, what do you have to do? Girl student. This is a new girl student. Okay. It's very simple. Same, but put the tha at the end. Okay, this ta, okay. You have to put this ta at the end here. So, thalibatun, here also jadidatun. So, if you want to make a noun or adjective as a feminine, just add a tha marbuta. Just add a tha marbuta at the end. What you have to add? Tha. Okay. Just add a tha, then it will become a feminine. Okay. For example, Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. Ibnu Hamidin Jalisun. Hamid's son is Jalisun, sitting. Wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. We have already learned waqifun means standing. Waqifun. 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 Waqifun means standing. But this is masculine format. Okay. Masculine format. If you want to use it for feminine, you have to just add additional tha here. Okay, additional tha. When you write, it should be like this. Okay. So waqifatun. Bintu Yasirin waqifatun. For example, Bintu Yasirin sitting, oh sorry, standing. Waqifun means standing, sitting. If you want to use Bintu Yasirin sitting, then how do you read? How do you write? Jalisatun. That's it. Jalisun means sitting for masculine. If it is feminine, just add a tamarbuta. Jalisatun. For easily write, you have heard some boy's name and girl's name as Jamil, correct? Jamilun and Jamila. Jamilun means beautiful. Jamila also beautiful. What is the difference? It's just ta marbuta only. Jamilun. Jamilun. Jamilun means beautiful boy, masculine one. Okay. For girl, Jamilatun. Oh, wow. It's supposed to be okay. Jamilatun. Okay. It's supposed to be Jamilatun. Jamilatun will have two dot. Okay. But same. Jamilun. Jamilatun. Similarly, you can read a lot of masculine and feminine name which differentiate by the ta. Jamil, Muhammad Jamil, Abdul Jamil, a lot of boys' names are there. Jamila is the same, but it's a differentiate is what is the difference between these two is just ta marbuta, ta. So if you add a ta in a noun or in adjective, it will become a feminine. Okay, understood? If you have any doubts, you can raise your hand or you can unmute and ask me, okay? I don't want this as a one way, just push whatever it is, I deliver whatever it is, and in the end, you don't understand, which is useless. The classes is for you, not for me. Okay, so Bintu Yasirin waqifatun. If you put tha, then it will become a feminine adjective, feminine noun. Yasir's son, daughter is standing. Ibnu Hamidin jalisun. Hamid's son is sitting and Yasir's daughter is standing. Wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. Okay. Man hadihi. Man hadihi. Who is this? But hadihi means pointing to a girl. Okay. Or a feminine, female. Not for male. Man hadihi. Man hada means for masculine. Man hadihi. Who is this? Hadihi ukhtul muhandisi. Ukhtul muhandisi. This is engineer's sister. Ustad, why there is no ta here? Right, just now you say it's an engineer, male engineer, and for feminine is supposed to be a ta, right? Why the ta is not here? Okay, actually, this girl's brother is engineer. Okay, brother is engineer, so he is boy. So she is engineer's sister. Since his brother is male, we are using muhandisun, not muhandisatun. If you want to use female engineer, then just add muhandisatun. Okay. That means her sister is, elder sister or sister is engineer. But in this context, his brother is engineer, she is engineer's daughter, sorry, engineer's sister. Hadihi ukhtu. Ukhtu means engineer, sister. Brother, akhun. Akhun means brother. Akhun. 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 Then why not ukhtun? Why is just mentioned as a ukhtu? It's because mudafun, engineer's sister. So, hadihi Ukhtu muhandisin. Mudafun should not have alif lam, should not have tanween. Okay. Here aidan muhandisatun. You see here. Here aidan muhandisun, male engineer, muhandisatun, female engineer. Here. Similarly, tabibun is a doctor, right? Tabibun is doctor. If you want to point to a female doctor, tabibatun. Tabibatun, extra ta marbuta here. That's it. Tabibatun. Tabibatun. Anything, if you want to make it feminine, just add a ta. Add a ta at the end. And the letter before will get fataha always. Tabibatun. Not tabibutun, tabibitun. No, tabibatun. Usually, if you want to make any masculine noun or adjective to feminine, just add a ta at the end and the letter before should have fatha. Okay. Here aidan muhandisatun. Here means she. Huwa means hada. Sorry, huwa means he. We have already learned huwa, right? He. Here means she. 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 Is she? Island means also. Also. It's a new word. Note it down. Here aidan muhandisatun. Is she also an engineer? Muhandisa means female engineer. Okay. So if we use engineer, doctor, artist, whatever it is, if you want to use it for feminine, just add a tha at the end. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Is she also engineer? Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Is she also engineer? La. No. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. Here, tabibatun. Tabibatun. Tabibun, male doctor. Female doctor, tabibatun. Here, tabibatun. She is doctor. No need to mention as a female doctor, but just identify. Tabibatun means it should pointing to, referring to a female, feminine. Okay. Tabibun, it should referring to a masculine. But don't need to write she is a female doctor. No, is aware. La, no. Here, tabibatun, she is a doctor. Is she also engineer? La, no. Here, tabibatun, she is a doctor. Okay, next. Here we are using hadihi for irrational thing. Okay. In this example, we use it for rational. Ukhtun, bintun. Now we are going to use the hadihi for irrational things. How do we identify irrational things as a feminine? Is by if any irrational noun ending with ta, then we will call us as a feminine. Sayyaratu. Sayyaratu man. Yesterday we have practiced, right? Sayyaratu man means whose car is this? Whose car is this? Since it's a sayyaratu, we should not say hada. If you say hada, then grammatically it's wrong. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Sayyaratu man hada. Maybe translation, whose car is this? But grammatically wrong. Why? is because sayyaratu is feminine. So for feminine, we have to use hadihi. We have to use hadihi. Sayyaratu man hadihi. Whose car is this? Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. This is principal's car. Okay. For example, as I mentioned, if you commonly say mudir, it will refer to masculine. If you want to say it belongs to a principal, the principal is female. How do we say? Sayyaratul mudirati. Mudira. Mudirati. Okay. We have to add tha at the end. Mudirati. That means female principal's car. But if no tha, then it will refer to a male, masculine principal. Okay. Male principal. Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. Whenever you say apostrophe or of, then the words are belonging to possessive. So this is mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. Sayyaratul mudiri. Mudi's car. So it's a mudaf, mudaf ilayhi. We have to say mudiri. Why mudiri? Is because it's a mudafun ilayhi. Okay. Sayyaratu man hadihi. Whose car is this? So car is feminine in Arabic. So we are using hadihi. Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. This is principal's car. If commonly principal means it will refer to masculine, male principal. If you want to use it, if you want to refer to female principal, just add tha at the end. Okay, that's it. Then, ma hadihi, what is this? Ma hada, also what is this? Ma hadihi means we are going to ask something belongs to feminine gender. Feminine gender. Ma hadihi, what is this? Then hadihi mikwatun. Mikwatun iron box. Okay. This is iron box. Hadihi mikwatun. Mikwatun is feminine. Why? Is ending with ta. Yes.
How are you gonna know if it's hadi or hada if you don't know what that is? So pretend you just ask something. How are you gonna know if, as in, like, if you don't know, if you're asking a question and you don't know what that is, how are you gonna choose to choose? How are you gonna know what to choose, hada or hadi? Do you get what I'm saying?
Okay. If you don't know anything, commonly in Arabic we use masculine, but you know something this is belongs to feminine gender, then you use hadi. Okay.
Okay.
For example, you don't know whether this is belongs to bikwatun or not. You don't know, then use mahada. Mahada. But when you learn, oh, this is mikwatun, then you are going to answer a question or what you are going to teach to others, right? Teach other children or others, then use hadihi. Okay. In the real time, if you don't know whether it is belongs to masculine or feminine, common word is masculine. Use the masculine words. Okay. Ma hadihi. What is this? Hadihi mikwatun. For example, who is this? Man hada, right? If you want to point to girl, then man hadihi. Who? Man hada. So if you are pointing to a girl or a lady, who is this? Then man hadihi. If you know, then use it man hadihi. You know that she's a girl or a lady. Still, if you are using man hada, then wrong. Then it is wrong. Ma hadihi. What is this? Hadihi mikwatun. This is a iron box. Okay. Let's read it together one time, okay? First, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ad-darsus sadis. Ad-darsus sadisu. Sixth lesson. Sixth lesson. Hadihi. Hadihi. This. Feminine. Hadha bunu hamidin. Hadha bunu hamidin. Wahadihi bintu Yasirin. Wahadihi bintu Yasirin. This is Hamid's son and this is Yasir's daughter. Ibnu Hamidin jalisun wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. Waqifatun. Ibnu Hamidin jalisun wa bintu Yasirin waqifatun. Hamid's son is sitting and Yasir's daughter is standing. Man hadihi? Who is this? Hadihi ukhtul muhandisi. Hadihi ukhtul muhandisi. This is engineer's sister. This is engineer's sister. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Ahiya aidan muhandisatun. Is she also engineer? Is she also engineer? La, no. Hiya tabibatun. Hiya tabibatun. She's doctor. She's doctor. Hiya tabibatun. Sayyaratu man hadihi. Sayyaratu man hadihi. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. Hadihi sayyaratul mudiri. This is principal's car. This is principal's car. Car is feminine, so we are using hadihi. Ma hadihi. What is this? Ma hadihi. What is this? Hadihi mikwatun. Hadihi mikwatun. This is a iron box. Ma hadihi. What is this? Hadihi mikwatun. This is a iron box. Alhamdulillah. Let's continue this second page of the lesson 6 after 5 minutes break, okay? Okay, so far we have learned two things. I told earlier, I have informed we are going to we are going to learn three things. Actually, it's a four things. The fourth one is here, she. Here, she, okay? Anyway, out of the three things, two things we have learned. What is feminine for this? And then feminine adjectives and noun, which how do we convert a noun adjective to feminine gender? Is ending just adding a ta at the end. Third one is one more hurtful jar, right? Which is li. Which is li. Li means belongs to. Li means belongs to. if I say an example, you will easily identify, understand this. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. What is the meaning? All praises to Allah. That means belongs to Allah. So it's supposed to be Alhamdu li Allah. Alhamdu li Allah. Which is when you join lillah. Okay. Alhamdulillah. The li is harful jar. That's why alhamdulillahi. Alhamdulillahi. Why alhamdulillahi? It's because of li. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin. Correct? Not alhamdulillahu. Alhamdulillahi is because of harful jar is followed by harful jar. So li is belongs to. Li means belongs to. Li means belongs to. Man means who. Man means who. Then if you say liman belongs to who, that means whose. Belongs to whom? Whose. So liman hadihi. Whose is this? Liman hadihi. Whose is this? Hadihi. This is li Khalidin. So when we read hadihi, we have to understand, okay, that means this author is pointing to a feminine noun, okay? Liman hadihi. Whose is this? Hadihi li Khalidin. You see, li Khalidin. Belongs to Khalid. This is belongs to Khalid. Why Khalidin? Is because of li is harful and there is no alif lam. So we are giving kasratain here. We are giving kasratain here. Liman hadihi. Then why there is no limani here? Man is constant. Okay. It won't change because of something is coming here and there. It will change one place. We will learn this later. Okay. Liman hadihi. Whose is this? Hadihi li Khalidin. This is belongs to Khalid. Adarrajatu anasin hadihi. Adarrajatu anasin hadihi. Darrajatu means bicycle. Darrajatu means bicycle. Okay. Adarrajatu hamzatul istifham. Hamzatul istifham. Adarrajatu anasin hadihi. Anas is this Anas bicycle? Is Anas bicycle is this? Mudaf and mudafun ilayhi. Okay. Darrajatu bicycle. Adarrajatu anasin hadihi. Is Anas bicycle is this? La, no. Hadihi darrajatu ammarin. Darrajatu ammarin. Why ammarin? Mudafun ilayhi. This is Ammar's bicycle. This is Ammar's bicycle. So now we know that darrajatu is feminine. So we have to use hadihi. Hadihi darrajatu ammarin. This is Ammar's bicycle. Hadihi jadidatun. Hadihi jadidatun. This is new. Actually, jadidun is new. Jadidun. Jadidun. Jadidun is new. Why jadidatun? It's a feminine form. Is because of which is new? The darraja is new. Darraja is a feminine. So We have to use, for feminine, we have to use the feminine form of adjective. Okay. هذه جديدة is a new. هذه جديدة. Why جديدة is because of دراجة is a feminine, so we are using ta at the end of the جديد. لا هذه دراجة عمار هذه جديدة. No, this is Ammar's bicycle. This is new. ودراجة أنس قديمة. قديم means old. Since it's a feminine, so we are using قديمة. Anas bicycle is old. هذه جديدة. This is Amma's bicycle. This is new. And Anas bicycle is old. Darrajatu Anasin. Why Anasin is a mudafun ilayhi. Anas bicycle. Wa darrajatu Anasin qadimatun. Anas bicycle is old. هذه ساعة علي. هذه ساعة علي. This is Saat means watch. Ali's watch. This is Ali's watch. Saatu is feminine because ending with ta. This is hadihi. We should not use hada. Hadihi saatu Ali. This is Ali's watch. Here jamilatun jiddan. Jiddan island. Just now we have learned, right? Aidan. Aidan means also. Jiddan means very much. Here jamilun jiddan. It is very beautiful. Jiddan means very. Very or very much. Okay. It's very beautiful. Jamilun. Just now I shown you an example. Jamilun, Jamilatun. This is a Jamilatun. It's a feminine form. But when we read some, we will put the sukun, right? So Jamila. So all the Jamila, Tawila, whatever is ending with the ha, right, is actually a ta. Here Jamilatun Jiddan. It is very beautiful. It is very beautiful. Jiddan, very much. And then Hadihi mil'aqatun. Mil'aqatun means spoon. Spoon. Wahadihi qidrun. Wahadihi qidrun. Qidrun means pot. Pot. Okay. Qidrun don't have ta marbuta, right? Why? Then why we are using hadihi? Qidrun don't have a ta marbuta. That means the feminine ta. Then why we have to use a hadihi? Okay, there are some words which Arab used to referred as feminine word. Although we don't see a sign, Arabs used to do it. Okay, so we just follow them. There are some Shamsun. Shamsun also don't have, right? Shams, we use the feminine. Hadihi qidrun. So this is the exception. Since Arab used to use this word as a feminine, we are also using as a feminine. There is no, although there is no ta here. Okay. There are some words like this. Okay. Hadihi qidrun. This is a pot. So pot is feminine. Although it doesn't contain a tha at the end, we will use it as a feminine word. Hadihi qidrun. This is a pot. Hadihi milaqatun wa hadihi qidrun. This is a spoon and this is a pot. Al milaqatu Fil qidri. Why qidri? Is because of harful jar. It's because of harful jar. Al mil'aqatu. The spoon is in the pot. Al mil'aqatu. The spoon is fil qidri. So when you translate, just focus on where is the is. The word before is mubtada, after is khabar. Okay. So this is mubtada, harful jar, ismul majroor, this both khabar. Okay. Subject predicate. Al mil'aqatu fil qidri. The spoon is in the pot. Yes, spoon. Correct. Then, هذه بقرة الفلاح. Baqara. Have you heard this word anywhere? Surah Baqarah. Alif Lam Mim. Suratul Baqarah. Baqarah means cow, right? Fallah means farmer. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is farmer's cow. Farmer. Okay. This is farmer's cow. هذه بقرة الفلاح. Fallahi means farmer. Fallahi is a mudafun ilayhi. So we will give kasra since it has a alif lam. Farmer's cow. And then, okay, here we have to learn another one more things. In body parts, we have nose, eyes, mouth, okay, hand, leg, chest. So we have a lot, right? Lot of the body parts. Those we can find as a pair. Those body parts which is pair, we will refer as a feminine. For example, eyes. How many eyes we have? 2. There are pair of eyes, right? So eyes is feminine. Hand. How many hands we have? 2. So we used hand as a feminine word. Leg. Okay. Leg. How many legs we have? Pair of legs. So leg is feminine word. Okay. And then come to a single. Nose. How many nose we have? 1 nose. Those are single, we referred as a masculine. Okay. Then mouth. How many mouth we have? Only 1. So it is a masculine word. Head. Head is not pair. So it is a masculine. Understand? So hada, we use hada anfun. Anfun means nose. Hada anfun. Hada famun. Famun means mouth. Hada. We use hada. It's because anfun is masculine word. Famun also masculine word. Why? It doesn't have pairs. It's a single part. Hada anfun. Fingers. Dhufrun, also feminine. So whatever single is a masculine. Pair we will use as feminine. Hada anfun. This is a nose. Wahada famun. And this is a mouth. Okay. Comes to a feminine part. Udunun, ear. Udunun, ear. Ainun, ainun, eye. Ainun, eye. How many eyes we have? We have pair. How many ears? We have pair. So if we find pairs of parts, then we use a feminine word. Hadhihi udhunun. Hadhihi udhunun. Wahadhihi ainun. Wahadhihi ainun. So when we point to mouth, when we point to nose, we use hada because it's a single part. If we are pointing to ear or eye, hand, leg, we use hadihi because it's referred to feminine word. Hadihi udunun. Hadihi udunun. This is a ear. This is a ear. Wahadihi ainun. And wa means and. Hadihi ainun. This is a eye. Wahadihi yadun. We have two hands. So it's a hadihi. Hand. And this is a hand. Wahadihi rijlun. Leg. Rijlun. Rajulun means man. Rajulun. Rajulun means man. Rijlun. Ra will get kasra and ja will get sukun. Okay. There's a difference between Rajulun means man. Man. Okay. Rijlun means leg. Hadihi rijlun. This is a leg. Why it is hadihi is because we have two legs, pair of legs. Wahadihi rijlun. Hadihi yadun. Hadihi rijlun. This is a hand and this is a leg. Good. So let's read it together one time from the second page. Liman hadihi. You can read it loudly, okay? Don't just read it within your mouth. Liman hadihi. Whose is this? Hadihi li Khalidin. This is belongs to Khalid. Li is harful jar. So Khalid gets kasra. Hadihi li Khalidin. This is belongs to Khalid. Adarrajatu Anasin hadihi. Is Anas bicycle is this? La, no. Hadihi darrajatu Ammarin. Ammarin because mudafun ilayhi. Don't have alif lam, so we have to give kasratain. Hadihi darrajatu Ammarin. This is Ammar's bicycle. Hadihi jadidatun. This is new. Since we are giving adjective to a feminine word, we are adding a tha at the end of the adjective. وَدَرَّاجَةُ أَنَسٍ قَدِيمَةٌ. And Anas bicycle is old. هذه ساعة علي. This is Ali's watch. هي جميلة جدا. This it is. Here means she, right? We use it. Here means she, but here we will use it. It is jamilatun jiddan. It is very beautiful. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. هذه ملعقة وهذه قدر. This is a spoon and this is a pot. الملعقة في القدر. The spoon is in the pot. Here spoon, qidr is, although it doesn't have a feminine identification, since Arabs used to it as a feminine, we also use it as a feminine word. هذه بقرة الفلاح. هذه بقرة الفلاح. This is farmer's cow. هذا أنف وهذا فم. This is nose and this is mouth. هذه أذن وهذه عين. This is a ear and this is an ear and this is an eye. وهذه يد وهذه رجل. This is a hand and this is a leg. Okay. اقرأ واكتب. So I think mostly take this as a homework. You guys has to improve your home assignment. If you don't do exercises properly, right, you might have difficulties when we learn the lessons hereafter. After 10, after 15, right? Most of the lesson will refer the rules from lesson 1, 2, 3. If you don't do the practice here, then you will have difficulties in learning those lessons. Okay, you have to read and write this. Okay, take this. Okay, take this exercise 1 and 2 as a homework. 3 and 4 we will learn it in the next lesson, next class. It's like read and write. Hada masjidun, hadihi madrasatun. Madrasatun is school. Man hadihi, hadihi ukhtu abbasin. Hada dikun. Dikun we have already learned. Rooster. Dajajatun. Dajajatun is a hen. Chicken. Hen. Hada ibnu mudir. Hada bintu. Hada ummu. Ummu means mother. Aina qidrul lahmi. Lahmi means, okay. Lahmi is meat. Here is thallajati. Thallajati means fridge. Hada babu wa hadihi nafidatun. Nafidatun I think we have already learned. Window. Babun means door. Nafidatun means window. We have already learned it. Okay. Ummu means mother. I think the rest everything is we already learned. Lahmu, meat. Thallajatun, fridge. Either we have already learned. So you have to read and write with the haraka and the translation. Then tamarin, this one also, mahada, they have asked what is this. So you have to use, this is a pen, this is a spoon, this is a guitar, this is a book, this is a shirt. But when you pointing to a feminine, You have to use hadihi. When you're pointing to masculine word, you have to use hada. That is a exercise. That is a, they are going to check this, whether you can identify this, where to use hada, where to use hadihi. So ma hada, see, it's a common, right? Common, they are using hada. Although bicycle, darajatun, sa'atun is a feminine. But they don't know which they are going to point. So they are using hada as a common, general. Generally, we use masculine words in Arabic. Ma hada, what is this? Then you have to say this is the pen, this is the house, this is the door, this is the leg. So when you use masculine hada, when you use a feminine word, hadihi. When you point feminine word, hadihi. Okay, inshallah. Do these two exercise, and all you have to do, mikwatun, chair, najmun, all these you have to use. And the third and fourth, inshallah, we will continue from next class. Okay. Jazakumullah khairan kathira.